Hi guys. So we've done a few examples where we use just circles to draw cute little cartoons like that, and we're gonna do the same thing. So if you liked the circle videos, this is another one that you should be able to have some fun with. Again, you can do this to entertain small kids, or if you have kids who want to learn to draw too, they can use this as fun practice. So again, these are all super easy because we just start with one big circle. And this time we're going to be doing a mouse face. So very similar to when we did our cat and our dog and our cow. We're going to start up here, but we're going to make these eyes kind of ovally, and they're going to be close together. And that's how we're going to make them look more mousy. And then we're going to, again, fill in the iris of the eyes, not dead center, and always leave a little bit of white in them. That's what makes the eyes look a little bit more interesting and alive. Then we're going to do our big ears. Again, I've not done these before either. I'm doing them with you for the first time, so I don't know how well I'm going to do either. So there are some silly big ears for us. And then you can make these have semicircle inside of them. We're going to put our nose right below our eyes, the big round clown nose. And we're going to put a little dot of light in it so that has a little light to it. We're going to fill it in. And then from our mouse's nose, we're going to make his mouth, just like our dog and our cat, except here we're gonna make sure you know it's a mouse because we're gonna do little teeth, little mousy teeth. Yeah, and these whiskers are gonna come from up here, kind of near the eyes, and we're just gonna put a couple out here. Boop, boop. And there's our little cartoon mouse, really quick. Just like the other ones. So the next one we're gonna do, I have done this one before with my daughter and it was pretty easy. Let's see if this one works out as well. You never know, do you, how it's gonna go. But that's okay, because it's just for fun. We're gonna start with our circle, and this is gonna be a fish. So we're gonna give big fishy lips. That's what we got to work with. Now we're going to put this eye close to the front and really big. Just another circle in there. And fish do kind of have plain eyes. So yeah, you can make this just really circular and mostly dark and round and flat, and that won't look unfish-like. And then we're gonna have this. So we're gonna separating the parts of our fish. Right at the top of this, we're gonna do kind of our little fishy fin, okay? And then we're also gonna do one on the bottom, right behind this a little bit, so not quite as far out. Okay, now we're getting closer to it looking like a fish, but don't worry, we're not done. We're gonna go down from this a little bit, and we're gonna go out. Now you can make it kind of curved, or you can make it really triangular, however you want to do for your back tail there. That's kind of what I ended up doing with mine. Not sure I love it, but you know what? That's what erasers are for, and we can just change anything we want to. Okay, and then we're gonna do kind of a little triangle here. Oh, he's got a fin now. And then I just like to add some scales, just some little scales. Let us know he's a little fishy. And just little backward C's, sort of. And there's our fish. Again, same circle, you guys. In just a couple of minutes, you can make those little cartoons. How cute. All right. We're going to do another face-based one. We're going to start with our circle, just like up here. Nice circle. Okay. And we're going to put big oval eyes right next to each other up at the top again. Big oval eyes. But this time we're going to make them into a bunny. So I'm going to make this one's eyes be looking a little bit up, maybe. So that's another way you can do that. And then just close the little circle. Yep, he's gonna be looking over there like, what's going on over there? We're gonna make another big nose close to the eyes. But this one we're going to keep actually kind of like white. We're not gonna shade that in or fill that in at all. And then the next thing that we're gonna do, of course, you guys already know, is we're gonna go down a little line here. We're gonna go down, and we're gonna do our little mouth like we've done every time, pretty much. You should be very good at it now. Only for our little bunny, we're gonna add bunny ears. And bunny ears are just gonna come up, and they're not gonna point. Okay, they're gonna come up, they're gonna be fairly close together, the base, see? They're gonna be pretty darn close together, and they're gonna come up nice and wide, and like that. And then you can also do a little circle inside of them too, to make them look even friendlier. And then we can, very similar to the mouse, I'm gonna curve these whiskers a little bit more than the mouse, just to make them look a little different. So we've got a mouse, we've got a bunny, we've got a fishy. What do you guys want to do? How about a frog? Anybody love our little frogs? This one is very easy, okay? So if you've had trouble with these, don't worry. Anybody can do this frog, okay? This is a really cute one. Now this is fun because we're gonna get to put the eyes down here. They're gonna look like two M&Ms. Two M&Ms right next to each other. Boom, boom. Okay. And then we're gonna put a little circle inside of it, just make it look kind of like an olive. Here we go. Also kind of close together. They're a goofy little frog. Okay, now we're going to make his back legs. And the back legs kind of go out and down. Little zigzag out and down. And it's okay if you don't do them in the exact same direction. Just make sure that whatever direction they go in, they end up having a little zigzag. And the same thing with the front. We're going to reach out like he's reaching for something. He's reaching for something. And then we can just put 3 toes on him, so we know these are little froggy hands, and that is the little frog. That's all he takes. So there are 4 animals that you can draw with just one circle. It just takes a minute, and have fun with it.